smallest countries in the world has one of the largest ocean areas. The way they've set things up and what they are basically
see, here's the simple thing that we're causing Mexico. So this tourist visa you get, right? It's called an FFM. You get it online.
See that?
Yeah, they're all based down on like Croatia, Greece, places like that. Water out there. It's like looking through a fish.
I would imagine that the 2 days doesn't pass when I tell my wife, yeah, come on, let's move to Spain. But
I might go there too. I'm not back to Frank.
And if you know Spain, there's like 7 different types of police. There's like tourist police, regular police, military police. So like they've got roadblocks and queues and fighting. You can go to the supermarket and you can go back to your apartment. It's one of the they're one of the oldest populations, so all the people are old, and so they're really prone to, this is what we're told, you know, they're really prone to COVID. But it was where the really bad COVID shit took off in Europe, in Italy. Italy, not Spain.
It's wrong, and it's like you get a lock me down at my house. You know, they all feel better.
scared me.
You don't see it? I got it on. The brand new style. You can't see it?
Oh, she looked at me like I had 3 heads. She didn't know what the fuck to say in response to that.
I had an experience the other day when I went into a grocery store, and our governor has requested that everybody puts masks on in public areas now. So I walk into the grocery store, and I seen this kid standing there, just waiting for somebody like me that comes in without a mask. So he comes in running after me, and I see him in my peripheral. So I cut down this corner, and I cut down this way, and I turn that way, and I spin up this way, and I go up. I hit into the produce department, and I was circling the bays, you know, of the produce. And he was running, trying to catch up to me, and because he didn't know where I was going, it was a hustle for him, you know. So when he caught up to me, he was out of breath, and he goes, sir. And I said, oh my God, what happened to you?
Don't breathe all over me like that.
And he
That
goes,
was trouble breathing. You got the Rona?
I sound like you're sick, man. There's something wrong with you. You take it away from me.
yeah, and he said, do you need a mask? And I look at him and I go, not really. I said, do you need oxygen? You know? Yeah. And so he gave me a mask. You gotta wear this, the governor says. And I says, yeah, okay, thank you. And I put it in my pocket and I walked away.
Have you guys seen the video?
He looked at me and he just goes, and then another guy walks by and he says, hey, do you got a mask? And I said, I sure do, right here.
Yeah, man.
Kept walking.
Have you guys seen the video of the guy that walks into a Walmart wearing a motorcycle helmet? And they end up arresting him for wearing a helmet in the store.
Really?
Oh yeah.
The mask.
I was afraid if I fell over, I just hurt my head.
So he has the ultimate mask, I guess.
Yeah. But and you know, it's funny because they're showing it through like the Walmart security cameras as the guy's walking through the store. And you can obviously tell the guy's like on his lunch break or something. He's walking into their little deli, grabs a pre-made sandwich, bag of chips, Coke, goes over, gets a toothbrush, goes and pays for it all. And as he's standing there putting the stuff in his backpack, it's registered, they swarm him and freaking arrest him. Because he was
Here's
wearing a
my
helmet.
question. The motorcycle helmet you wear for riding out in the desert, right? With sand? What's the filter in those?
It's a gnarly filter. Yeah, it's a HEPA filter in there, basically.
Is better than a pair of fucking, you know, in
You know what you gotta
Britain.
do? You gotta take a 3M and put on.
I'd have turned my helmet into a headbutt weapon.
I want to buy a helmet.
This dude got
Hit everybody in the face.
I want to buy a helmet right on the front where the thing is. I want to take a 3M from the store and take that square where the motorcycle helmet has it and put the 3M right there. And I put a little sign up here says it's sealed around my neck. Go away.